Have you ever wondered how aircraft get their stunning designs? Aircraft painting is both an art and a science. It starts with a thorough cleaning of the aircraft. Next, technicians inspect for any damage. Any dents or chips are repaired before painting begins. Then, a primer is applied, ensuring paint adheres well. Special paint is used, which is lightweight and durable. Designs can be custom-made, bringing brands to life. After painting, the aircraft is cured in special ovens. Finally, a clear coat adds shine and protects the finish. For example, airlines often use colors to reflect their identity. In summary, aircraft painting transforms metal into visual masterpieces. Love the process? Share your thoughts below.